Hello guys, and welcome to my channel where I inspire you and teach you to do it yourself for less. Today we have another balloon Garland video. As you already know, we are in February and Valentine's Day is around the corner, so I have something to inspire you today with balloons from the Dollar Tree. The other day I showed you my Dollar Tree haul, so if you haven't watched that video, please check it out and let me know what you think. So I'm going to be using some of the balloons that I got from the Dollar Tree to do this Garland today. Okay guys, so I'm going to go on and show you the items that we are going to need for our balloon Garland. We are going to dive straight into the video and I will show you the items that we are going to need for this balloon Garland. Okay guys, like I told you before, we have our balloons from the Dollar Tree, and if you haven't watched that video of my Dollar Tree haul, check it out. And so you know, just so you know, balloons or whatever, every item now in the Dollar Tree is $1.25. It's no longer $1, just so you know. So I have my balloons. We are going to be using red, white and black balloons today for our Garland. These balloons, pack of balloons are from Amazon. I bought them a long time ago, so I just started to use them today. And then we have a scissors. We are going to need this one. We have our glue dots, our balloon shape, which I might not use because I don't like it. I have a couple of 260 balloons, which is what I might preferably use, or I might go with my fishing line. And then I have my best friend electric balloon pump, so that's what we're going to use. So I'm going to go ahead. My baby is right here, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll inflate my balloon. Okay. We are going to be doing a balloon Garland that is color blocking. So I'll be putting the colors in different blocks. That is what color blocking is. So I'll be putting the colors in different blocks. So I'll put red, white, black. So I'm not mixing it. That's what it means to do color blocking balloon Garland. Okay. So to inflate my balloons, I'm going to put 2 balloons into my nozzle, and then I'm going to inflate them. Sorry about the noise. And then I'm going to press my balloons either onto my skin or on the table, just to shape them, to keep them round. Okay. Okay guys, just that helps my balloons to be round in shape and look nice and beautiful. Again, they are not supposed to be the same sizes because we are doing an organic balloon Garland, okay? So they don't have to be the same sizes, but for some reason this ones just happen to come out as if they are the same. So again, I put 2 balloons in my 2 nozzles and then I inflate at the same time. So you either do this, or you can just press it with your hand. Let me make one smaller, okay? You can also do this. And then when your balloon needs to keep the shine, so just push it like this. If you deflate it too much, you just push it up so that you take away this neck, and then now you can tie your balloons together, just so that it looks like 9-inch, but it's not 9-inch because these are 12-inch balloons. Okay, so you put them in, you inflate them in different sizes to give it that organic look. Okay, then you just put them together, twist them like this, and then you've created a quart. So we are going to go on and do the same thing to all our balloons, and then we'll be right back. Alright, so now my balloons are all inflated and I have put all my balloons in quarts, and I'm going to now build, or we are going to build our Garland now. I also inflated my 5-inch balloons, and let us get some 260 balloons and we start building our Garland. And once we are done building, we are going to hang it on the wall. We are hanging on the wall again today. Alright guys, keep watching. Alright, so we are going to start building our Garland, and here I have my 260 balloons. I've just linked them up, and that I have the ones that are single here. In case this one runs out, I'll just add. But I'm using my 260 balloons to connect my balloons together. So these are 260 balloons. I'm sorry, I'm using the wrong color because I'm dealing with red, black, and white balloons, but I'm using blue. I'm just doing using what I have at hand. Okay, so it is best to use colors that are close to your balloons, or you can just use a fishing line that is transparent. I think that's even the best thing. So I'll just put my balloons like this, and I'll tie this one onto one of my balloons. And then I'll tie again, just to make sure that it is well secure. Okay. Now, like I said before, we are doing color blocking. So I'll just put my balloons in different color blocks. So what I'm doing is just put my balloons together, and then press down this one, and then pass my 260 balloon around it. I hope you're able to see what I'm doing. Just like this. So I'm going to continue doing the same thing until I see that everything is good. I'm just doing this because I want you to see exactly what I'm doing, because I don't know if the camera is able to show my hand. Okay, so at this point, don't worry about my balloon that you're seeing through my 260. You can see some of my 260 if you look closely, but don't worry about it, because once we hang our garland, we're going to cover it up with our 5-inch balloons. Okay, so we are going to put our next color. I think I should go with let me go with the black. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'll keep doing this until I am done building the garland, and then we are going to come back for all of us to hang it together. So now we have the base of our garland, and we are going to go on and hang it, and this is where we'll be hanging our garland, right here. This is our space that we'll be using today. So I'll climb right up right here, I'll go here, I'll hang it right here. I am trying not to use any comma hooks again because it's like I'm doing too much. So I'll hang it onto the staircase and then coming down like this. Okay, so it's going to go like this, like an arch. Oh, so this is where we ended, and I have the leftover 260 balloon here. I'm just going to use it to tie it up over there, and then we are going to work with this one, and then we'll add other things as we go. So let's start by hanging this one up there. Alright guys, so I have the small 260 right here. You can see I'm going to attach it onto one of my balloon necks, and then I'll go and tie it. Okay, yeah, I think that I like what I'm seeing, so I'll just make sure that I hang it like this. I'm going to add some more balloons and we are going to keep building, guys. Let me get the ladder so that I'll be able to do it from down and see exactly what I'm doing. Alright guys, so I'm loving the white one, even though I feel like it should have been hanging right down here, you know, like around where we have the ceiling. But I might move it down, I might just leave it there. But let us go on and build the red and the black. Let me see if I can move this one down. I feel like it is too high up, like I want it to be here, okay, right here. So I might bring it down here instead of having it hanging right up there. So let's see what we can do, and then we'll continue building the rest of the red and the black coming down. Okay, so I just shifted my balloons from where they were and I've brought it down a little, so I feel like I'm more comfortable with it right here. So I'll go on now and build my red, my black coming down, and we'll see what we will get. So let us go in now with our 5-inch balloons and we start adding them. Alright guys, so we're almost done, but I want to give my balloon or my Garland some stability, so I'm going to go in with my water balloon. I just filled one balloon with water and I'm going to attach my 260 onto it. I'll tie it like this. Then I'm going to add it to this Garland so that we can make it to be stable, because it keeps moving like this. I don't want it to be moving. I want to use this weight to give it some stability. I'll just wrap this around. And then I'm going to go on to add some more balloons down. I'll add some more balloons to the red, to this red here, and then to this black. I think those are the two parts that we need to add, and then the bottom part, and then we'll be done. Let me just do that off camera because I don't want this video to be too long, and then I'll show you everything, how it looks. Alright guys, we are finally done and it looks amazing as always. Yes, I just said that, you know what, I always appreciate my work because I will not wait for any other person to come and appreciate what I'm doing before I feel satisfied, okay? So this is the final look. Let me know what you think. I love it, like I said. I love it. It looks amazing. but I would still like to know what you think. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Hope it was helpful and inspiring. Hope I was able to inspire you to create something beautiful for Valentine's Day. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share, because sharing is caring. You could be helping someone by sharing this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.